at it again with another amazing video. Check this out, guys. Jojos Amazing Streams. This application for the new service is awesome. This is where you can do a lot of things. And when I say new service, check out my website. Okay, Jojos Amazing. Excuse me, Jojos Amazing videos.com. The link should pop up down below in the description. It's clickable. Also, you should see something pop up on the bottom here. Okay, so I'm not going to talk your ear off. I'm just going to go straight into this app. I'm going to show you how it's set up, how it looks, how it works, and then I'm going to show you how to get it. Okay, so we're going to go right into it. Now, this screen here, you're going to have to enter your username and password. Now, this username and password, if you have existing, if you have my old service, when I say old service, it's the same, Jojos Amazing TV, but the new service, it has more channels and it has a different password. Now, if you have an existing account that hasn't expired yet and is about to expire, the older ones still work, okay? And once it expires, you will be updated or upgraded to the new service. Okay, guys? So no freaking out. Okay, just wait for your subscription to be over. Okay, but at this moment, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to enter my info and continue from there. All right, guys, I entered my info in. Okay, it's a little hard to see, but it's in there. Once you guys enter in your info, working info, if you guys are interested in the service, please check out my website, jojosamazingvideos.com, or email me. I have the email down below and all that good stuff, and we'll get you started up. It is a paid IPTV service, okay? I do offer 1-day free trials as well. All right, so I entered my info in. You see how I highlighted the remember me? So I click that and then click down again to log in, so I don't constantly have to re-enter my username and password. So I'm gonna click login. Give it a second here. It's gonna log. Loading up all info. It may take a little bit because there is a lot of stuff with this app and it is pretty awesome. Okay, give it a second here. Okay, it took about, I would say, like almost 30 seconds to load up. It does take a little to load up, so don't freak out. That's the norm, okay? Now, it is a little hard to see here, okay? But it's still readable. You have your EPG. You're going to have your, I believe, it's not titled, but I'll go into it and I'll show you it. Then you have your video on demand, okay? Oh, I believe this is the series, TV series. Then down here at the gear, settings, your notifications, your recordings, and pretty much that's it. Simple. Now we're going to go into EPG. Okay, I just want to show you guys off the bat the EPG, meaning the TV guide, because it is a little weird the way it starts. Okay, we're going to go into it, hit the play button there, let it load up, and you see there, it doesn't show anything, whatever. Don't freak out. You're going to hold down the select button. There you go. You go down to categories. You choose your categories. Let's go all. And then you get all your channels. So let's go to channel. There you go. And it pops up for you. Now, as you see here, okay, it pops up. Now you're like, okay, that's cool and all, but like, I want to see something else, or how do I? You could simply click down, like changing your channels. You can do that. Click down and it'll change your channels for you, okay? So let me back out real quick. And back out one more time. Okay. Give me 1 second here. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had to pause the video real quick. Had to answer my phone. Anyways, that was so not cool. But back into what I was saying. Now you go into the EPG, or and you're like, well, what's up with this? Okay, click that, hit categories. Let's go to, here we go, and there it goes. It pops up your TV guide much better and works easier. Now you're like, okay, that's cool, but I want to see something else. You can go to all channels, and some of the channels don't have a working TV guide. I apologize for that. But let's say you already know what you want to watch. Let's say he's going to
free shipping, even on furniture.
Let's say just go into the baseball.
Prime.
Go into the baseball.
This is the couple who wanted to get away.
Click here. You want that. Now watch this. This is the awesome part.
With Prime.
Click and
This is the couple who wanted to get away.
Click back. Click and hold the select button. You see it says show multi. Click that. Now guys, you see these 4 screens? With the new service, you automatically get 2 connections. Okay? You guys will get 2 connections automatically. And then if you want 4 connections, it's a different price. It's on the website. Once again, I'm going to do the name plug, jojosamazingvideos.com, and that shows you the prices there. Cheap, decent price, set you up, let me know. But now, let's say you want to watch, because this actually I'm showing you off a one that has 2 connections. So I'm going to click this one, highlighted green, click it. I'm going to go into, let's say you want to watch the baseball game. Okay, let's go into baseball. Actually, the baseball was all the way in the top. There you go, baseball, and it shows you your channels you want to pick. So let's see here, what time is it? I think this game is on right here. Click that. I was on a commercial break. Okay, so let's say you want to watch that. It's on a commercial break. Let's say you want to watch something else. So you go into USA Entertainment, I don't know, ABC. Okay, there you go. You see how it was jumping? It may do that. Okay, and if it does that, all you do is you click into it and then it comes up. Now you could back out. Just indoor water. And that's annoying. I know it is. So what we could do here, let me see if I could. Sometimes it may do that. Sometimes it
Camden
won't.
Yards, top of the second. No score here. And Jim and Mike, you two talked about.
It may do that sometimes, not all the time. Okay, now it's doing it. Super annoying, I know, guys. But as you see, you can play up to 4 screens at the same time. Okay, so let me actually back out of this.
Kenny breaks down the game.
Back out of that again. And that's your TV, that's your channels. So you go into EPG, click it, hold down the select button, you choose your categories. You can get extended info, show multis, you can show closed caption, you can add to the favorite whatever channel you want. So let's say you go into here, go to categories, for the USA, you want to add that, click and hold down, click then add to favorites, and it will add that channel to your favorite. Okay, and you're like, okay, that's cool, but where's my favorite? Once again, go into it and hold down the select button, and your favorites will automatically come up here. I'll show you real quick. Okay, let me show you real quick here. Go here.
ABC's World News Tonight with David Muir, already the most watched newscast in America, now honored with the Edward R. Murrow Award for Best Newscast. And
see, now watch. I backed out. I'm gonna go. Oops, I clicked the wrong button. Darn it. Okay. Go into there. There you go. See?
Watch
have all your favorites there.
With fair, transparent value for
Super easy to use. This one is a little challenging to maneuver, I'll be honest with you. Here goes your TV shows. Me personally, I don't use the TV shows. See the play button? Just hit that play button. Allow it to load up. There you go. Here's your shows. Or actually, these are your movies. I'm sorry. Here goes your movies. Okay. I don't use any of my service for movies and TV shows. I use like Cinema HD, Titanium, and stuff like that. It's, to my honest opinion, I like it easier and better. You know, I know, but me personally, my service is great for live TV. Okay. Here you go, video on demand. This is your TV shows. I'm sorry. This is your TV shows. Okay. Here you go, your TV shows. You click into it, and then you got your seasons and episodes. Okay. Back out of that. And then you have your settings. Go into that. As you see here, you got refresh app. You can accelerate it. You know, basically make it faster. You could put parent block. Reset your TV guide. Reset your favorites. This right here is pretty cool. You can log into those. Pretty much that's about it, guys. You have your recordings. Me, I don't record. I have to experiment it more and see, like, kind of perfect the DVR setup. When I say DVR setup, it just records the show. Okay. If you guys want to explore it. That'd be awesome. Let me know how you think about it. But let's go to settings and let's log out of this bad boy. Okay, we're logged out. Now I'm going to tell you how you... Oh, son of a gun. Go back in, log out. There you go. All right. So let me show you how you get into this app. Super easy, guys. Super easy. All right, so let me get back to the home screen, and you know what I'm about to say. Filelinked store. Guys, Filelinked store is the best way to go. If you don't have it, links are down below of how to get it, how to set it up. Super easy. But if you guys already have it, you guys are going to go click into it, and you're going to enter this code in. Give it a second here. Now, this code is strictly for Jojos Amazing TV apps, okay? Which is 748-61473. Okay, you see that? Once you guys enter that in, you're gonna hit continue and let it load up. And there you go. And the one that I was just showing is Jojos Amazing Streamz. Okay, you see that download button? Click that download button. Allow it to download. Okay, and it may take some time, okay, but once it gets going, and you're gonna allow it to download. Give it a second here. Like I said, guys, this service is a paid IPTV, and it is a great service. If you guys have the service already and your expiration date is coming up, once you guys renew, you will be automatically put onto the new service, which you'll have the same username but a different password, and you have to download the apps from this site or from this code. Okay, super easy, guys, not hard at all. See the play button? Click that play button, and since I already have it, that's why my screen looks like that. Hit install, let it install. It's gonna say done and open, and you're good to go. Okay, hit that back button there, hit that back button there. Yes, I'm done, and we're good to go. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Also, check my website out. The updated version is jojosamazingvideos.com. Let me know what you guys think, and hope to hear from you guys. Have a great evening.